Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been 3 years since I put out a YouTube video, but yeah, life just kind of kept on rolling and the camera didn't. So obviously, we're all watching what's going on in the world outside and it's a little bit crazy. And I've been kind of wandering around my house trying to figure out what to do with myself as we're all home and outside of our routines. And I started watching some Facebook Lives that Chef Michael Simon put out about cooking and how to cook with your pantry staples. And I really enjoyed just like the soothingness of watching him cook and just normal everyday life. So I started thinking about what I could do to put something out there that's just normal life. And, because nothing is normal life right now. And so I started looking around my house, which is a disaster, and realizing I've kind of wandered around my house for the last week, wondering what to do with myself, feeling like so many things that I normally do lack purpose. And so I thought that I would resurrect my YouTube channel and try to bring some normal back. So I thought I would bring you guys along, give you guys a little dose of my normal, and hopefully along the way we learn some tips and tricks on how to maintain some routine in these rather unsteady times. And hopefully sooner than later we can just get back to our normal everyday life. But until then, I'm going to start making some YouTube channels. So today I'm going to start with my kitchen because I'm looking at it and there's not a clean surface in my kitchen. And then we'll go from there. I have no idea what I'm going to clean today, but I'm going to take you along. So let's get started. kitchen done. I think I'm going to end today's video here because it's almost 3 o'clock and I need to do other stuff besides just clean my kitchen today. Obviously, when I was making my videos before, I was able to get through my whole house, but as you saw, my house was a little tidier then, so today was a lot more about putting things back in their homes, figuring out homes for some things that have made their way into my house that just have sat on a counter for who knows how long. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I hope it brought a little bit of normal. Maybe spend some time trying to figure out what we can put out there as a community for our friends, because it can be really hard being disconnected from people. Even this introvert is feeling it. So this is what I had, so this is what I put out there. Maybe you've got something else. Anyways, I will probably make another video tomorrow or maybe later, who knows. But I'm gonna say goodbye for now, and I'll see you soon.